Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Thunderbolts will increase so much as the hour approaches, that when a man comes to a people, he will ask, 'Who amongst you was struck by a thunderbolt this morning?' And they will say, 'So and so was struck.'" In another hadith, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Earthquakes will destroy your homes, lightning will burn your herds, turning them into coals." The hadiths relate that the increased amount of lightning is a sign of Qiyamah. As weather statistics indicate, the loss of possessions and the increased number of deaths due to lightning have become far more frequent in recent years. According to the Atlantic reports, lightning strikes kills 24,000 people every year around the world. In India alone, every year between 2,000 to 3,000 people are killed by lightning.
Great muscles! Augustine thinks we're crazy. Okay, let's go!
Yeah. I got you.
Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us to recite dua, prayer, at the time of lightning and thunder occurs. O Allah, do not let us die by your anger, and do not destroy us with your punishment, but grant us safety.